Welcome to this short tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as truce. 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 Let's see its meaning. It's a noun. It means an agreement between enemies or opponents to stop fighting or arguing for a certain time. Ceasefire. Let's see its use in sentences. The two rival teams called a truce to play a friendly match. The soldiers honored the truce during Christmas. A truce was declared to allow both sides to collect their wounded. After hours of negotiation, they finally reached a truce. The children made a truce to stop fighting over the last cookie. The truce lasted for just one day before the war resumed. The peacemakers monitored the truce to ensure both sides complied. The leaders of both nations signed a truce to end the war. The workers agreed to a truce and returned to their tasks calmly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more lessons.